Hi, I'm Dan, and this is a 1963 and a half Ford Falcon Futura, ordered originally from Ford with a 260 V8 Ford-O-Matic 2-speed transmission and a 3.2 or 320 differential. Now it's a two-door sedan because it has a bench seat in it. And the 260, everything in this is original, and it has factory installed from the dealer air conditioning. Now let's have a look at the motor and I'll show you that it's dead cold. All the original equipment is here. The thermactor in the air cleaner even works. It's all hooked up. The only thing that isn't hooked up at the moment is the vacuum advance line. So I have it advanced a little bit just to show you. I picked up this car from an estate sale, and yes, I got it running after 20 years to sell it. Okay, I want to show you that it's dead cold. It hasn't been started at all. Okay, and now I'll go and start it and show you that there is no smoke at startup. It does have dual exhaust. It's got a nice sound. Starts right up even though the carburetor is not detailed. It has been rehabbed with a kit, but the accelerator pump doesn't work as good as it should. The lights work. The high beams for some reason do not. The car is not new, obviously, hence the price. There is a little bit of water damage on the floor because of a leaking windshield. Okay, so you can see that it starts right up. The front brakes have been rebuilt, but not with shoes. It was just enough to get the car working. And it does drive. The transmission works good. No noises from the rear end. No noises from the engine even after it's hot. Come this way. There's a brand new water pump. New T-stat. Like I said, the carb's been gone through, and new spark plugs, new solenoid, new starter, and new battery. Now, yes, the fender and the hood are a different color because there was some kind of fender bender, but there's no structural damage to it. The only thing that I consider somewhat serious is the battery box has been cut to make a little bit of clearance because I think the core support here has been pushed in just a little bit. That is it as far as I can tell. Virtually all the lights work, so let's show it running. So there you are. Now that it's warmed up a little bit, let's see with no fuel how it starts. There it is. At the moment, the brake line to the rear end is plugged. Old brake fluid probably. The shoes on the rear end are good, about 2/3 of their life left, but I just wanted to get it running to see if it was sellable. So there you are. So come on, give me a call, let's make a deal. Thanks.